tablespoon or more, depending on how much of the mask you want to make. Take it out of the microwave. Don't put it on right away. Let it cool down. Still a little hot. Let it cool down. There you go. And this is what you'll apply to the face. Oh, get out my eyelash. I always think I'm recording and I'm not. So basically, I was showing you that I was applying the sea moss here. Okay, turn around. Here to my face. And you can put on as much as you put on just a little, or put on just as much as you like. And you might want to pull your hair back a bit, you know. But it's also good for your hair, so I'm gonna take a shower after this. I can just rinse it right off. Now, voila la 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 la. I'm gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes. That's 15 minutes. And then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Hey Facebook. Doing my sea moss mask today. I got it on my lips too. Stay tuned. And I'm back. And it's all dry now. And I'm ready to rinse off. Which parts of it are dry? I think I put too much over here on some parts. But since this part is all dry, I'm gonna go and shower and rinse this all off. And voila! This is how I do my sea moss mask. Now you could always add stuff to it. So if you want to add turmeric and honey and all those good things, you can. But this is just plain old sea moss gel right on the face. So this is it. Rinsed off. Boom, boom, boom. Bam, bam, bam. And then you moisturize. And drink lots of water.